Looks like there's only one Maverick left. Could this be the last of them? Or is this just the beginning?
It's been a long time since they've gotten their hands on Lumine. The elevator seems normal so far, but that's just making me more nervous.
Just try not to think about it. We've come this far. Let's just take care of that last Maverick and move on, okay?
You're right, Axel. There's no time to be worried.
Right. Let's go. Roger. Here I come.
I'll handle it. This plant harnesses the heat of a volcano to incinerate garbage. It's a dangerous place, but we have no choice but to put an end to the uprising.
Good luck. I'll take care of it.
X, I thought something like this might happen someday, so I've prepared parts for you. Try out these flip parts H. Equip this part to gain speed in movement. Equip this new ability and board the capsule X. I hope this is the last time we need to use weapons of war like this, X. I really do.
Usable parts. It's also known as the Maverick Dump. This should be a dangerous mission, but I'll do my best to help out.
This is a waste disposal facility that uses the heat of the volcano for incineration. At its center is a core of molten magma. Please be careful.
Transform!
That's a rare metal. You can use it to make a new chip. When you get back to the Hunter base, you should take it to the lab.
Roger! Let's do it!
I'll handle it!
Burn, Rooster!
You found a rare metal. With it, you can make a new chip. Be sure to stop by the lab when you get back to the Hunter base.
Go for it! Roger! Let's switch! Here I come! Your turn! Leave it to me!
Zero, can you hear me? You found a rare metal. With it, you can make a new chip. Be sure to stop by the lab when you get back to the Hunter base.
turn, Rooster. Why have you started a riot? Is Sigma controlling you? My master! He will have his revenge for all the Reploids whose broken bodies rest here. What does he plan to do? You know, he's just using you, nothing more. Using me? If that's the price I have to pay to bring about the new world, so be it!
Emergency! Emergency! The volcano has gone out of control! Escape through the mouth of the volcano and await teleportation.
Good luck! Watch this one! Leave it to me! Mission accomplished. Weapon get!